Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attack your friends in Monopoly Go. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first thing that we want to do here is we want to go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. And from here, what we need to do is we first have to see our port. So if you want to attack your friends, what you need to do here is you have to land on one of those tiles here that has train icon on it. So whenever you actually land on this one, it's going to start an attack. So let's just roll until we get that specific tile. Now as you can see right now, we've just landed on one of those tiles. So if you want to attack a friend, just click on the switch opponent that you see at the bottom center of your screen. And from here, you could either choose to revenge or choose your friends. Let's go to friends and go ahead and go to the specific friend here. Just click on go and it's going to load up their world here and choose where you want to attack. Now from there, you just attack friend and that's about it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.